7 warning signs show it is time to ditch your worn-out tires. Sign 1. Tread depth is too low. You can know this by stopping at a local tire shop or garage for a free safety tire check. You can check your tire tread depth using a tread depth gauge. Use the money penny test. Insert a penny into the tread. If you can see the top of the penny head, this means your tire tread is dangerously low. Check the tire minimum legal limit in your country. In Europe, it's 1.6 millimeters. In USA or other countries, usually 2/32 of an inch. But replacing at 4/32 is safer, especially in rain. Sign 2. Visible cracks or bulges. Cracks in the sidewall or bulges on the tire surface indicate structural damage. This could lead to a blowout. This needs to be replaced as soon as possible. Sign 3. Uneven tread wear caused by misalignment, unbalanced tires, or poor rotation habits. If one side is more worn than the other, it's time for a replacement and an alignment check. Sign 4. Vibrations while driving. Constant shaking, especially at highway speeds, can mean your tires are worn, unbalanced, or internally damaged. It could also point to suspension issues, but tires are a common cause. Sign 5. Tires are too old. Even if the tread looks okay, the rubber hardens and deteriorates over time. Most manufacturers recommend replacing tires every 6 to 10 years. Check the DOT date on the sidewall as shown here. Sign 6. Poor grip in wet conditions. If your car slides easily in rain or takes longer to stop, your tread might not be channeling water properly. Hydroplaning is a big red flag. Sign 7. Increased road noise. Worn or cupped tires often get louder as they age. A whooshing or humming sound can indicate it's time for new rubber. Finally, if you're noticing one or more of these signs, don't wait. New tires are way cheaper than dealing with a crash or breakdown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button for more road safety tips and money-saving advice.